and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're responding to Elon Musk's Xprize to sequester carbon. Okay, so here it is. We're going to sequester carbon by not allowing it to escape into the atmosphere in the form of wildfires. Okay, so this piece of kit right here is the proof of concept. Okay, so what this tank does is this tank goes on a drone. We as a nation, possibly as a world, already record all the lightning strikes. So this system is to put firefighting drones together that automatically respond to lightning strike events to put out potential forest fires. Okay, so this tank goes up in the middle of a hydrogen fuel cell drone and is stationed all over. So these tanks can hold the perfect amount of pressure, and the way it works, it just maintains that pressure perfectly. So this proof of concept works ideally. The drone technology is there. MMC of China, they build a drone that is a hydrogen fuel cell drone that can fly this much weight for a plenty distance. So this nation had like a series of spotter towers to spot forest fires, so we could recondition those and put in solar power with a solar power hydrogen fuel cell conversion to power the drones. Okay, so that is my suggested entry into this Xprize event to sequester carbon. So if you would like to contact me or just take my idea and run with it and go, I'm totally fine with that. But honestly and honest, hopefully some college or something like that just, takes this up, because this needs to happen. We need to end forest fires randomly. Fires were a part of nature, but that was back when we had old growth trees and grass prairies. So controlled burns are what we need to move towards, and the wildfire needs to be eliminated. So have a great day. Peace.